Why Ganesha is called Ekadanta? Lord Ganesha, abound in wisdom and intellect, is referred to by 108 different names. Some of the names include Vinayak, Ganpati, Gajanan. Ekadanta is one of them. Name is derived from age-old Sanskrit language. You might get alarmed to think that he has only one tooth, or rather, say one tusk. Yes, the word Ekdanta translates as one tooth. Ek stands for one and Danta means tooth or tusk. Most people don't even know about this fact. The aura that surrounds Lord Ganesha forbids anyone from taking note of this tooth. Legend 1. It is said that the gods wanted Rishi Vyas to write the epic called Mahabharata, and the most knowledgeable person in the world was needed for this task. Lord Brahma asked the Rishi to visit Lord Shiva in order to get permission to allow Ganesh to take up the task of writing the epic while the Rishi recited it. Lord Ganesha agreed, but there was a deal between the two. The Rishi will have to recite the great epic in one go without a pause. Else, Lord Ganesh will abandon the task. The Rishi agreed and in return said that the Lord will have to understand every hymn before penning it down. Ganesha was so abundant in knowledge that he wrote the hymns even before the Rishi thought of the next. The task was so enormous that the pen used for writing began to wear out. In the place of pen, Lord Ganesha pulled out one of his tusks to finish working on the epic. Legend 2. Once Lord Vishnu took the form of Parshuram to wage a war against the Kshatriyas, who were blinded by their arrogance. He had used the axe, Parshu, given by Lord Shiva to him for this sake. He came out victorious and had come to visit Lord Shiv. On his visit, he was stopped at the entrance of Mount Kailash by Ganesha. He did not allow Parshuram to enter as Shiva had been meditating. In the fit of rage, Parshuram, who is known for his anger, struck the Ganesha with the powerful axe. It directly hit the tusk, which broke and fell to the ground. Ganesha tried defending himself, but on recognizing his father's axe, he received the blow instead. Parshuram later on realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness and blessings from Lord Ganesha. Legend 3. This legend has the moon, Chandra involved. Lord Ganesha is known for his healthy appetite. One night, he was on his way back home on his Vahan, the mouse, after attending a feast. All of a sudden, a snake zipped past the mouse. The mouse ran for his life, throwing Ganesha to the ground. It is said that in his fall, his belly opened up and all the sweets that he had eaten came out. Lord Ganesha put them back in and tied his belly with the snake. Moon was witness to all this, and he could not stop laughing. So, Ganesha hurled one of his tusks at the moon and cursed that he would not shine again. The dismayed gods asked Ganesha to forgive Chandra for his fault. Lord Ganesha softened his curse. This is why it is said that one must not look up at the moon on the night of Ganesh Chaturthi. So these are the 3 legends. Ekdanta is actually 22nd form of Lord Ganesha of his 32 forms. This avatar was taken by him to destroy Madasur, a demon of arrogance. It is believed that the success is assured when a person worships the Ekadanta form of Ganesha and that he is always willing to sacrifice anything for the sake of his devotees.